So in this video, I'm going to show you how to put the finishing touches on your design and prepare it for laser cutting. The first thing that you're going to want to do is, using your arrow, draw a box around your project and bring it to the top left corner. The laser cutter starts up here and cuts this way, so it helps to save material and also to know where your project is going to print, to make sure it's in the top left corner. Great. So next thing that we're going to do is have you scale it. So again, having a box around it, I would like you to scale it using the handles. And if you want to maintain a uniform scaling as you change its size, you hold down the control button. The control button changes the scale of your design in a uniform fashion. Whereas if you just pull on the side handles, you'll lengthen it this way, and if you pull this way, you'll stretch it out vertically. So you can scale horizontally and vertically using specific arrows, but if you hold the control button, you'll maintain its shape. Great. So the next thing that I want you to pay attention are these dimensions up here. This is the width and this is the height. So I'm going to make mine about, I'm going to say 2 inches, about 2 inches wide by about 1.5 inches tall. So there's my height, there's my width, and it's in inches as we set up earlier. That looks good. So the last thing that we are going to set up is the Hairline Red thickness. So I'm going to activate, we'll start with my circle, go to stroke style, and the laser cutter reads Hairline Red. So you're going to change the stroke width to 0.1, and let's change that to pixels. 0.1. And you're going to do the same for the outer silhouette. 0.1 pixels. Make sure to hit return or enter when you're done. So now we see this super thin hairline red. And with the etching part, you don't really have to do anything. It's black, and the machine will come through and laser etch this at whatever power we set it at. So go ahead and save your design. And you're going to put it on a USB thumb drive and give it to Mr. Getchis to laser cut. So you should be able to find on your desktop your file. In this case, here's mine. And if we go ahead and plug in a thumb drive, all you'll do is drag and drop that into the thumb drive. Make sure to name it something that Mr. Getchis can recognize later if he needs to print it while you're at another class. So maybe a better way to name it would be like Patrick, your first name, keychain, or whatever you're making. Okay, and then you're going to drag and drop it into the thumb drive, which will show up on your desktop. Thanks for watching.